How do you give a wild whale a health checkup? Drones have been used to collect samples from the exhaled breath or blow from wild whales in the Arctic. This new approach allows us to check for potentially dangerous germs in live whales without stress or harm, providing critical insights into diseases in a rapidly changing Arctic ecosystem. The study, led by Nord University and involving King's College London along with multiple European partners, deployed consumer drones equipped with sterile Petri dishes to hover over the whale's blowholes and capture the respiratory droplets. Researchers tested wild humpback, sperm and fin whales, and these samples were screened for pathogens to help monitor the health of these whale populations. Experts say this new non-invasive approach can support conservation strategies globally by detecting potentially deadly viruses connected to numerous mass strandings of whales and dolphins worldwide.